And welcome back to our Friday fun.
Now, this time we have superstar chefs from the restaurant Fallow. It's Jack and Will!
Yeah.
Quite an entrance.
Now, guys, same rules as always. You've got our base burger ingredients, and you're going to try and cook up a sub 10-minute burger. But you have also brought with you 3 special ingredients to jazz it up. What are they?
Well, tonight we have fallow sriracha, of course.
Pluggity plug plug.
Yeah, exactly. And then we've got our beautiful nduja, which we make in-house.
Homemade nduja.
About a month old, like all of the fat from the outside of the pig. Stop waving that thing around, please. And then we've got a little bit of marrow, which we're hoping to cook the burger in.
Okay.
If Crofty smashed it for us.
Now this one's a little bit different because there's 2 of you. One of you will be answering the questions, the other will be cooking. Who's doing the questions?
So I'm going to answer the question, and my beautiful assistant is going to cook.
Excellent news.
Partaking in today's challenge is Fallow Restaurant's William Murray. Will is 30 and from the Great Bolton. His favourite dish is the classic Sunday roast. He's also known as Mr. Mushroom Man, and speed appears to be his thing, with his unique skill being that he can sink a pint of ale in under 3 seconds. What a lad.
3 ingredients up for grabs, quick fire questions. Question number 1. You met each other at dinner by Heston at the Mandarin Oriental Hotel. On what London square is the new Mandarin Oriental Hotel opening this year?
Oh, he's stumped! Oh!
Grosvenor Square?
It is not. It's Hanover Square.
Oh, that was a hard question.
It is
Guys, can we swap over, please?
It's a tough question. If I'm honest, I wouldn't have known either.
This thing here, nduja, this one's been made at home, but where did it originate? If you can get the town, top marks.
Calabria.
We'll give it to you, yeah!
And final question. Popular sriracha brands are typically made from red jalapenos. But what is the Scoville rating for jalapenos? Is it A, 2,500 to 10,000 Scoville, B, 50,000 to 100,000 Scoville, or C, 350,000 to 750,000 Scoville? A, B, or C?
It's quiet.
Let's go for B.
It is not that punchy. It's A, just 2,500 to 10,000 Scoville. Which means, boys, you've got one of your 3. Which of your 3 ingredients, the sriracha, the nduja, or the bone
we can
marrow,
choose.
do you want to add?
It's meant to be a spicy burger.
What ingredient do you want?
I mean, I want all 3, but you messed it up, didn't you? So.
And that right there is teamwork.
We're gonna have to go.
Which one do you want?
Nduja.
We'll go. He wants the nduja or the bone marrow, so we'll go with sriracha, please.
Sriracha hot sauce. Right, it's burger
I've already
time.
got 4 condiments. It's going to be such a plain burger.
Okay, 50% of the team in the kitchen. Are you ready?
Can't wait. Can't wait. Ready.
Got your fingers crossed?
Fine.
Ready, steady, burger! Right, shall we? Seasoning straight away.
Yeah.
Interesting,
He's loving the
interesting.
pepper cannon.
Get that going first. Whoa, touch of this.
Already?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little soup salt. We'll get rid of this straight away. We don't need that.
Excellent cheese, but no place in a burger.
Not for an American style burger. We're going to do 2 patties.
Okay.
Double stacked.
Before they go into the
Squishy
pan.
squish and into a hot pan.
Okay, nice. So what's the vision in your mind here then?
I'm just going to go for it, mate, to be honest. It's all gone to isn't it? With
I mean, okay, you hope for the nduja, you hope for the bone marrow. What would you have done with those?
Well, we was going to run the bone marrow through the burger, so we had like layers of moistness.
That would have
They
been
were tough questions. Instead, we're going for onion. Where's that going to go?
We're going to do a bit of caramelisation on the old onion.
Ooh. In the pan with a burger.
In the pan.
Away.
We're not rewriting the rule book here, you know.
Okay.
Not too crazy.
Get your fingers in. Finger it.
You'll have that in a martini in no time. Excellent colour on at least half.
Oh. Right, fine dice of your.
So what's your burger sauce or garnish going to be?
I'll let you know in a minute, but it's definitely going to have sriracha in it.
So we've got the mayo, we've got the ketchup, we've got the cornichon, and we've got the mustard.
Saucy. Does it need more wetness?
Nice. Cheese is going onto the beef in its final seconds of cooking.
A casual 4 slices.
Feisty, this seems to be a running thing. He's goshed the pan!
How much sauce? Just a bit. What are you doing?
The sriracha sauce goes on so many of the menu items. Plenty of time to go again. And he's warming it in the oven.
Yes, yes. There we go.
Little switcheroo, yeah, that's fine. He's going for the lettuce. The tomato he's going for as well. Excellent use. He's using it all. Amazing colour off that sriracha.
Just a bit of sauce.
A little bit of freshness. All still to play for as it comes out of the pan. Sticky onions, double patty.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
Come on!
Yes.
Cheeky bit of tomato in the middle.
And those onions cooked in the beef fat. Sticky onions. As soon as you're happy with your finished burger, we need you to ring the bell.
More sriracha!
Yes!
No!
And ring the bell.
Ring the bell!
Yes! That, Will, is a very sloppy, excellent time burger. Let's get into the sexies. A few weeks ago, myself and the food team went on a food safari to Croatia. It was all part of the VlogFest competition. 6 content creators all exploring the country and showcasing it with a single short video through their own lens. Ours, obviously, food and drink. The competition is now live and only for another day or so. So we'd love you to watch our video and even better, vote for us so that we're in with a chance of winning. You'll need to register to vote, and in doing so, you'll also get entered into a competition with a chance to win 7 days in Croatia for yourself. The link to the video and all the details are down below. Thanks for your help. Excellent job.
It's ridiculous. You proud of yourselves?
I'm slightly concerned about the integrity of the bottom of the bun.
I think that is a valid concern. It probably should be served with a spoon. We're going to hack into it.
Right, I say wait. Can you
got his own
knife.
cut it up? Yeah, we're going to need spoons.
Hold.
Or bibs, at least.
Pivot.
Oh, cuisson!
You're going to need at least a napkin. Dig in.
The bottom's so soggy, I can't even feel it.
Juicy.
It feels like one of those bush tucker trials.
Thumb through it.
Oh, I'm in.
Right.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Cheers. That sriracha mayo combo is really good.
If I'm honest, could do with some more sriracha, if I'm honest. No, mate.
Well, you know where to find it on our online shop.
The heat is actually mellowed out.
Yeah, hasn't it? That's absolutely delicious. I mean, no offense, it looks horrific. Horrific.
Disagree, Baz. Disagree, Baz.
No, it's horrifically good. Like, it's everything good.
Nice save, mate.
I like the fact that it had the nod to the lettuce and the tomato. It looked fresh as well as the sriracha
Freshness
dribble.
is key, yeah.
And on top of that, you said it yourself, but the burger's really nicely cooked. A little bit of char and still slightly pink in the middle.
Touch more seasoning, if I'm honest.
It's almost like you're
that was the Induyu, mate, actually, yeah.
Baz thinks it's disgusting, but I think it's great. So it definitely makes the leaderboard.
You're not welcome at the restaurant.
I did not say that.
I'd say double patty was the way to go. I think that was a good tact. Getting a little bit of acid reflux on the old sriracha right now, so I think maybe just a touch less. just a touch. But yeah, rounded off very nicely with a beautiful fresh salad, and I mean, look, that's the money shot right there.
That is
And that's what the spoon's for. Look, it definitely makes the board. There's probably no secret in the sense it was definitely sub 10 minutes. So again, definitely makes the board. But before we give you your time, what are you calling it?
It's going to be the Fallow Fireball.
Fallow Fireball.
Okay, cool. But as for your time, Evans, do the honours.
An impressive 4 minutes, 28 seconds. Which, as it stands, put you number 3 on the board. So way up there.
Out of how many?
How many? We won't go into that.
7. Third's pretty good.
Boys, thank you so much for coming down. That is a disturbing looking burger, but absolutely delicious.
What? We invite nice guests in and you're so rude to them.
Well, I'd love to have you back, and I'd love to visit Fallow restaurant one day, please.
Well, no to both of those.
Be a bit nicer. The good news is we have done another video, if you haven't already seen it, with the guys, so check that out, and check out the YouTube channel where there's loads of video, including the best POV chef.
Oh,
thanks, gents.
Thank you.
Right, thanks for that.